Hello, today we will talk about a new list of automotive products. Today's video is about
trailer hardware.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Hello, Bob from Shocker Hitch. Today we're going to talk about our 10-mount hitch. This, like all our other hitches, it's there for the road shack. We run that road shack. If you're towing your race car trailer, dump trailer, you know what the road shack is. You're fighting that all the time. So anyway, this thing bolts to the front of your trailer. It's available either to fit a vertical channel or a square plate. Very strong unit, 20,000 pound rated. This is a 21,000 pound bolt-in coupler, also available with Pintle rings. So if you're towing, like I said, a dump trailer, race car trailer, you want to keep the tools in your race car trailer in the box. Stop the breakage. I consider this instant air ride. Great ride.